As a CEO, your single most important role is to make few but very impactful decisions to ensure that your company doesn't die. A startup is like a fish trying to survive. A fish hides behind a boulder in a river so that it doesn't waste energy trying to swim against the current, and the flow of the water brings food directly to the fish. The fish wastes less calories to get its food this way. An efficient fish gets fat, while an inefficient fish struggles to survive and eventually dies. Most startups die because their founders are inefficient fish because of how they think. Efficient fish can thrive with or without investor funding. Poor founders and rich founders make the exact same mistakes, but the poor founders lose thousands of dollars while the rich founders lose millions. The wealthy can afford retries while the poor founders can't. One costly mistake can force them back into a 9-to-5 job just to survive. Go to my website zeroinput.ai, click on free resources, and under books, read my book on how to think to start becoming a good fish by learning from my experiences. You don't know what you don't know, especially for young people, but by teaching you how to think, you can start to become a better fish.